Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video, friends. Today I'm going to make the art of our 75 square meter prefabricated house you see behind me. We will tour inside and outside together, friends. I'm going to talk about the material used. I'll talk about the features of our project. For price and detailed information, see our website in the description below. Our contact information, these are completely. You can reach us from here. Similarly, our social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook accounts. These are all in the description, friends. You can check out our different projects from here. You can also get in touch with us. Friends, before I start my video, you can subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button located at the bottom right and open notifications by pressing the bell button. You won't miss any upcoming videos from now on. If you like our video, don't forget to press the like button. Let's start our video. Yes, friends, our 75 square meter prefabricated house. This is how it looks from the outside. The exterior color was applied in a combination of light and dark gray, very chic. And it looks nice, guys, in front of our house, the front part of the living room. We have a bay window on its peak. This is something done to add aesthetic to our house from outside. Like this in front, it has a nice 13 square meter veranda. Again, there's an entrance from the veranda through the steel door. Let's approach our house like this. Friends, no cladding was applied to the exterior in this project of ours. You see our assembly elements like this in every 125. This will entirely depend on your request. This is something related to both your budget and your taste. Friends, you can choose this completely right next to the steel door, up to 120, 180 places. We have a big chandelier. Let's slowly go through the steel door. Subtitle MK. When we entered through the steel door, here we come across an open kitchen living room area, guys, where the kitchen cabinet and countertop are installed. You can see right on the right side of the kitchen counter, you have a bow window. We have a window here at the front that goes from 120 to 180, from here to the balconies with ease. Our customer who can do it.
Subtitle MK.
There's a right on the left side of your kitchen area.
Subtitle MK.
We have a living room area of 24 square meters. Let me show you a living room like this, guys. Take care, in God's trust. Just like that. On the left wall of the living room, we have an entire bookshelf space. This is our customers. The teacher himself is a person who loves to read books. He has a huge bookshelf, guys. Let me show you the kitchen area. This is an open kitchen living room, but on the other hand, it actually offered quite nice usage, as if it was a separate kitchen and separate living room to our customer. So there is a transition area of 120 centimeters here. There's no door or anything like that. Similarly, an open kitchen. But on the other hand, it offered really nice independent usage of the living room and kitchen. There's drywall cladding, plaster application on the business front of your home.
Like you can see the walls are perfectly straight.
Guys, a little while ago, I was talking about there's no cladding on the exterior, but on the interior, there's plasterboard cladding and plastering in all our rooms. This way, you can see your walls completely flat, folks. Let me also mention about the ceiling section. Here, our standard ceiling design has been applied. So you see a joint every 62.5 centimeters. These slats are metal. This is the healthiest ceiling system in any way already. They don't see. This is our standard ceiling shape. But of course, like the same walls, we have customers who want to see straight.
Flat ceiling and
that's
reverse
it.
ceiling.
As mentioned, we can work on screwed ceilings, but generally, our customers prefer what we suggest is the healthiest, a ceilingless. Here's the system, folks. As you can see in this way, cardboard pier operations, curtain operations were completely done. in our project.
Subtitle MK.
We have a dome projection that I mentioned outside in the front, a lot from inside too. Even if it doesn't make a large area, it provides a nice area. It provides a nice aesthetic area where you can throw your seats and drink your tea or coffee, friends. We also have a lighting window on the right side of our living room. 120, our standard 120 windows. After the kitchen section in the living room, my friends, right in front of us, there is a bedroom, another one on our right and on our left. We have a toilet and bathroom area. Let's start with the toilet and bathroom area. In this way, ceramic works were carried out in our toilet and bathroom area, friends. Cardboard pier processes were also carried out in the same way. You threw a show pan here. You see, these are the features we apply in all buildings, whether you want it or not. Friends, this is standard air conditioning show operation. All right, opposite the door is the toilet area. The shower area is on the left side, and right away, let me also show you this. Think about the one with the sink in front of the shower. This area is where the washing machine will be placed. Then a sink area will come. A cabinet with a sink will be built here. Inside the cabinet with a washing machine and sink. On the electrical and plumbing installations for the washing machine have been completely done here, friends. For you to use the sink, it's on top. Also, an electric outlet has been left in the wall. Friends, after our bathroom, let's continue with the small room right opposite. This room is 10 square meters, guys. It's designed like a children's room. A small pleasant room, hopefully. Let me show you its width.
73.
Friends, it's 5 years in length and 2.5 meters in depth. Let me show you. We also have 120 standard lighting pen here. That's pretty good. It's not happening. Let's move on to the bedroom section after this room, friends. We have a 12 square meter bedroom here. Let me show you this way. Likewise, there is a lighting window here too. You will see the back facade in the outdoor shots anyway. Since the back facade is blind, no window was placed on this side. One window also illuminates quite well. Let me move to the side where the light gets to show you, like this. It lights up very comfortably, friends. This room is 12 square meters. In this room, there's a double bed, wardrobe, and the segment, the experience segment, etc. fit comfortably. Of course, if you have a large family and lots of belongings, of course, there are bedrooms, 14 square meters, 16 square meters, 18 square meters. So you can design this completely according to whatever you have in mind or in your dreams, guys. In this project, our doors work was done on Adopens Ado doors. Dark color, brown color was worked on. Ado doors are doors with wood on the inside and PVC coating on the outside. From a health perspective, they're very healthy and also very sturdy doors in terms of durability. It is not affected by moisture or water in any way. These are the doors, folks. As I mentioned in my other videos, our standard doors are American press doors. According to your request, special doors like Adopens doors, lacquer doors, vacuum door, and similar will be provided. You guys have total control over these, so your price and its final shape turns out to be like this anyway. Your door, your window, is your project going to be 3+1 or 2+1? Your project will be fully designed and prepared. After that, you get a price, folks. As I mentioned at the beginning of my video, we have our contact information in the description below, folks. We also have a website to us. You can reach us, folks. Yes, friends, our 75 square meter prefabricated house is like this. When I can show you the inside, the outside, the material used, the doors, the windows. I tried to mention, folks, I tried to introduce our project to you as much as I could. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button. To avoid missing the videos that will come after this, you can subscribe to my channel and open notifications by pressing the bell button. Friends, goodbye. Enjoy your viewing.